Okay, in the chapter statistics, we have learned how to find out mean, median, mode of ungrouped data and grouped data in the previous classes. Now, let us move to next topic. So, ogives. Ogives is nothing but curves. Ogives means cumulative frequency curves. Cumulative frequency curves. Cumulative frequency curves are known as ogives. There are two types. One is less than type, another one is more than type. More than ogive and less than ogives. To draw these less than or more than ogives, what are required means on a graph paper we need to take boundaries. Less than type ogive. That's why to find out less than type ogive, we need upper boundary and LCF, less than cumulative frequencies. To draw the more than ogive, lower boundaries and greater than cumulative frequencies. Once again, to draw the less than type ogives, we need to consider upper boundaries and corresponding less than cumulative frequency. More than type ogive means we need to take lower boundaries and greater than cumulative frequencies. On x-axis we need to take boundaries, on y-axis we need to take LCF, GCF. And we can plot all those points and we can draw the curves which are called as ogives. Let us learn in today's class about the ogives. See, one problem is given in the exercise. This is the daily income of workers. That is 250 to 300 rupees income by 12 workers, 300 to 350 by 14 workers, 350 to 408 workers, 400 to 450 income by 6 workers, 450 to 510 workers. This is the data given in the question. We need to find out less than ogive. Less than ogive. To draw the less than ogive, we need distribution. Distribution table we need. Already given income that can be taken as class intervals, number of workers taken as frequency. That is 250 to 300, frequency is 12, 300 to 350, 14, 350 to 400, 8, 400 to 450. How much we got? 6. 450 to 500 is equal to how much? 10. This is the data given in the problem. To draw the less than ogive, we need less than cumulative frequency distribution. Just now I told less than ogive means we need to take upper boundaries and less than cumulative frequencies. Upper boundary, what is the upper limit here? 300. Next class lower limit also same. That's why boundary also same. When the upper limit and next class lower limit are equal, that will become the boundary. Limit will become boundary. That's why here both values are same. That's why upper boundary is 300. Here upper boundary is 350, 400, 450. Similarly, we can get here also 500. These are the upper boundaries. Less than cumulative frequencies. Frequencies can be added from top to bottom. Starting to ending, we need to do first 12. 12 plus 14, 26. 12, 14, 26, 26, 8. 34, 34, 6. 40. 40 plus 10, 50. To draw, this is a less than cumulative frequency distribution table. Upper boundaries and LCFs can be written as a ordered pairs. Let us write ordered pairs. Because to draw the graph, we need ordered pairs. On x-axis, we will take boundaries. That's why 300, y-axis value 12, and 350, 26, 400, 34, 450, 40, 550. Now all these are ordered pairs, x coordinate, y coordinate. Opposites are ordinates given. Now let us move to graph paper. In this graph, we will get total graph in the quadrant 1 only. That's why I have drawn this like this graph. Horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. This is the origin. Now observe the values on x-axis: 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. That's why I am taking here 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550. How I took here, once again observe, I took 1 centimeter on x-axis is equals to how much? 50 units. Let us write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter, we have taken how many units? 50 units. 50 units. Next on y-axis, observe the values. 12 to 50 are there. 12 to 50. I am taking these as 5, 10, 50, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Here on y-axis we took how many units 1 centimeter? 5 units. Here remember, x-axis we took 50 units. There is no rule that we need to take y-axis also 50 units. We can take as our line. That is the scale. When you want to draw the graph, this x-axis, y-axis, if you draw, write the scale, you will get marks. Now let us plot these points. 312. X-axis value 300. X value is 300. Y value is 12. 12 means just about 10. Point will be here. Next, 350, 26. 26 is the value at 350. Next, 400, what is the value? 34. 34 means just below 35. Next, 450, 40. 40 at 450. We can plot the points. Finally, 500, the value is 50. Once again, first we took x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, we took 50 units per 1 centimeter. On y-axis, I took 5 units per 1 centimeter. And all these ordered pairs were plotted. Now, using your hand only, we need to join all these points. This is called less than OG. Less than OG. In the question asked in the exercise, to find out only less than OG. To draw the less than OG, first we need distribution table. In the table, first you take classicals, frequencies. To draw less than OG, we need LCM and also upper boundary. And we consider we have found all these values. In 100 ways we have plotted on the graph. This is less than type OG. Still we can find out the median from this. How can you find out the median from this? Let me explain. Here not asked, but if he asks us to find the median from this OG, means how can we do? What is the number of workers? That is n value is equals to how much? 50. from n by 2. From n by 2 is equals to n by 2 means 50 by 2, 25. From n by 2, n is 50, 50 by 2, 25. From 25, draw a parallel line to x-axis. This is x-axis, horizontal line. From 25, where is 25? Here. From 25, you draw a parallel line to x-axis, means you need to draw horizontal line. Parallel line to x-axis up to graph. Then from point of intersection, draw a perpendicular line to x-axis. See here, from 25 we need to draw a horizontal line first of all to x-axis. It will meet the graph at one place. Then from there you draw perpendicular line to x-axis. If you observe here, 26 value is at 350. Now 25 is just less than 350. This is around 340. What is the median here? The median is 340. From the graph we will get accurate value. Median is equals to 340. If it is original graph paper, in this we will get accurate value. Whether it is 340 or 341 or 342, what is it? We can find out easily. Once again, first draw the origin. After drawing origin, from n by 2, sum of frequencies you take, which is 50, 50 by 2, 25. From 25 we need to draw a horizontal line up to graph. From the intersecting point, you need to draw the vertical line to x-axis. Where x-axis meets, that value shows median of the data. Not only this, even more than that, more than what you asked, and you are asked to find out the median. Then also same procedure. Class impedance, frequencies. In place of upper boundaries, we will take lower boundaries. In place of LCF, we will take GCF. Lower boundary, GCF. This less than type OGU is rising curve. It is rising, and more than type OGU you will get a falling curve. It will start from upwards up to down. And the next class, let us learn how to draw the more than type OGU and how can you find out the median.